What's going on, everybody? Back for the trailer mud flaps, the quick release portion part 2. I just wanted to give you a quick update of where I'm at. So I already have the flaps trimmed down, the holes already pre-drilled out, good to go. Both of them, both sides left and right here. And up here I have drying the flap mount actually that inserts to my trailer frame. So after I get the second coat done, dried on these, I can reattach them to my flaps here. And then I'll put them onto my trailer. What's going on, guys? It's been a couple of hours since I've last picked up the camera. I've already come out and put a second coat on my mounts, and they're all finished here. This is what they look like. Not the best, but I just wanted to put a quick coat and clear coat on them before I put them on my mud flap. So I figured I'd set my camera up and just do a quick video and stuff. Here we go. There we go. 2 so far mounted. Let's see how they fit. Alright, so I already got them mounted onto the trailer just with 2 bolts for now. I do plan on putting some cotter pins in. That makes it the quick release portion, but let's give it a quick look. So that's how they look. They didn't turn out too bad, I don't think. They cover the wheels just enough on both sides, and I do plan on coming down here and trimming up this corner a little bit to run with the mount here. I don't know if I'll cut this one or not to make it match or not, but for now it'll stay square. Alright, so now as far as I'm concerned, those are good to go, good to get on the road. So hopefully after this video, the next video is me doing an actual road test, and I'll be able to put all my hard work to the test. So until then, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to give it a good thumbs up, because apparently that means a lot on YouTube. So have a good night, guys.